Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming packet tracer and router model compatibility because features differ by iOS. Once confirmed, connect via console and load your IP addressing plan. This prevents mid-config conflicts. You then access the router, type enable to get privileged exec, and enter config terminal to start global configuration. Make sure to save the running config to start up later. Now you're positioned to add zone-based or ACL-based firewall rules. Pick one method and proceed to implement the policy. You now implement rules. If using ACLs, define precise permit/deny lines for source, destination, and ports, then apply inbound or outbound on interfaces with IP access group. If using zone-based firewall, create zones, assign interfaces to zones, define class maps and policy maps, and apply inspection actions. Once done, attach the policy to the zone pair with service policy. Make sure you order rules from specific to general and include stateful inspection, where needed so legitimate return traffic is allowed. You finish by saving your configuration to startup config and testing connectivity with pings and simulated traffic. Use show running config, show access lists, show zone, and show policy map to verify rules and interfaces. These show mismatches and inactive policies. If traffic is blocked, check ACL order and direction first, then confirm zone assignments and that NAT translates addresses correctly. Finally, make incremental changes and retest. This iterative approach isolates the fault quickly and prevents policy-wide disruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.